What if you could get paid to play games and answer questions? What? You think you won't be able to actually get paid? Check this out. Payments via bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrency, Amazon, PayPal, Vodafone, cash. Is there anything more you can want? This is a strategy that can help you make free PayPal money, essentially. And also it's pretty much the fastest way to make money online. Do you want to know what it is? Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, and me and my team have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos every single day, and we try to do 25 a week. And the reason is that we want to take over the make money online niche. We don't want you to see 20-30 minute long videos. We want you to see short videos where I'll show you a make money online methods within 2 or 3 minutes, and you can decide for yourself whether you want to use it or not. So if you appreciate it and you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if also you want to help us out, like this video. Also, there's a riddle, and in the comment section down below, try to answer it. I think it's a fun community thing, and I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account, or just take it or put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, here's how this method works. So as we said, you can get paid in a variety of ways. My preferred payout method is PayPal in general, because I can reinvest this money into Facebook ads, buying a new domain, opening a Shopify store, building an e-commerce business from scratch with it. Skrill has very quick bank transfer times. For me to come from my Skrill account to my bank account, it takes a day, so I like it, but it has very high conversion fees. Crypto is going up, so a lot of people will choose crypto. So this is about what you want to do as cash out payment options. They have a lot of them. But if we go here, and I'll tell you the website in a little bit, you can get paid to play game. There's online games and puzzles that are fun to just pass the time, right? You can stand in line or wait for someone in the car, wait for your wife or husband to finish shopping, wait for your kids to do something. You're just playing games just like them, but better yet, you're actually making money from it. And it says here the rules are that you just have to play the game for at least 30 seconds. There's also contests here, so you can compete with other people. They're also trying to make money, and it's like a weekly thing. It has a countdown timer. You want to be the best, and it motivates you to keep on going and put in the work. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. This is no financial or medical advice, and remember that a video day gives a doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check this video out or this video out. See you next one. Bye.